After solo traveling for 3 weeks, I decided to join some friends in Lisbon. Technically, this series is about solo traveling, but I'm including this anyways. Besides good company, it was nice to not have to look for things to do. Since they had planned an itinerary, all I had to do was join in on the fun. I hope you enjoyed this little random vlog of Lisbon. My friend Josh was getting hangry during this flamenco show, so he left and ate at the closest thing open.
You didn't have to be all the way naked. Are you recording this?
Well, I'm recording the food and you're just talking about naked people. It's not very clean right now, but that's where I slept last night. Been staying with Josh and Emily in their cute little Airbnb. There's Emily and the child. Finally got to do laundry. This is the first time I've cleaned my laundry in a machine in the past 3 weeks. Amazing. Wow, what a luxury. We are in a very small hole in the wall just across the street from the Airbnb. Up this morning on an alley, and now we're at a Gucci store picking up $1,000 bags. Which one's that? I think the other one also had more flavor. The original place that we went to, you need reservations for, so we found something nearby. It's a Brazilian barbecue place with a beautiful view. Cheers. Cheers. We had an amazing and intimate dinner by this husband and wife duo. They only have 2 tables and it's reservation only. With much of the preparation done prior to your arrival, they're able to make the majority of your meal standing only 4 feet away from you. The food selection was very tasty and you can tell the amount of love they put into the space. I definitely recommend this experience if you're visiting Lisbon. I call this video series my digital scrapbook, a recollection of my adventures and growth I experienced over this trip. As much as I love videos, it's nice to have a physical representation of my memories, and thanks to the folks over at FlipChap, I now have a beautiful album of my photographs. They found me off of YouTube and said, "Hey, we want to make a book for you." Now this album has found its place on my dining room table and I can't wait for my friends and family to see them. So come over. I'm serious. Hit me up. I miss you. Okay, bye. During the 2024 World Cup, it was France versus Portugal, and every restaurant that had a TV streamed it outside. People were glued to it like a moth to a flame. My time in Portugal revolved around friends and food. With a full stomach and happy heart, I'm off to the next destination, Azores, an island off Portugal's coast, also known as the Hawaii of Europe.
It is currently 5:40 a.m. I said bye to Josh and Emily, and now we're off to another adventure. See you later.